Have you ever heard of a herb so beautiful it was once called the courage of the garden, and so soothing it can quiet the mind, calm the nerves, and gently restore emotional balance? That herb is borage, and today we're rediscovering how this ancient blue-flowered plant nurtures both body and spirit. Borage, Borago, officinalis, has been cultivated for over 2,000 years. While its star-shaped blue flowers once symbolized bravery, herbalists also knew it as a remedy for sadness, fatigue, and nervous tension. In old texts, borage tea was said to bring always courage, not the loud, fiery kind, but the quiet strength that comes from a peaceful heart. Modern herbalists now understand why. Borage contains trace compounds with mild sedative and anxiolytic effects, helping the body and mind unwind after stress. Its cooling, demulcent nature soothes the adrenal system, lowers tension in the nervous system, and can promote restful sleep when taken as a tea before bed. It's the kind of calm that doesn't sedate you completely, it simply takes the edge off the day. The true potency of borage lies in its seeds, rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a fatty acid that regulates inflammation and supports mood stability through hormone balance. GLA encourages the production of prostaglandins, compounds that not only ease inflammation but also help the nervous system respond more calmly to stress. That's why borage oil is often used to support both emotional and skin health, reducing flare-ups triggered by anxiety or hormonal changes. In traditional herbal medicine, borage was given to those worn down by grief, exhaustion, or fear, what we might now call nervous fatigue or burnout. It restores the heart, calms the restless mind, and renews courage in those who've lost theirs. A cup of borage tea in the evening was a ritual of letting go, a simple act of surrender to stillness. So next time you see those brilliant blue flowers, remember, borage is more than just a pretty face or a source of skin-nourishing oil. It's a herb of tranquility, courage, and gentle restoration. From the garden to the human heart, it whispers the same message it has for centuries. Healing begins when we learn to rest,